Hello viewers, my dear students, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we are going to see again mock test 10th August, question number 5. In B there were two options, either 1 or 2, both were having a 5-mark question. So this is a bills of exchange. It's a very simple thing, just to read it line by line and you have to write the journal. That's it. It's not at all a problematic sum. It is just a piece of cake. Okay. So now we are going to read the question very carefully. A accepts two bills of exchange. He is accepting two bills. One is for 3 lakh on June 1, 25. Here the date is also very important. Whenever the date is given in journal entry, don't forget to write the date. And 1,20,000 for another bill, and these were received by Mr. B, accepted by A. So the bill of exchange 3 lakh is for 2 months and bill of exchange 1,20,000 is for 3 months. Okay. So just we can calculate the maturity date. May not be required, but still you have to do it. The first bill is for 2 months, so that due date will be 4th August. Second one will be for 3 months, so the due date will be 4th September. Okay. Due date and maturity date, you know that. When you add 3 days, it becomes the maturity date. Okay. So the maturity date, what I am giving you here. So I wrote here as maturity date. Okay. So now B got the first bill, 3 lakh bill, discounted with the bank. What happens when he is discounting with the bank? Immediately it should struck your mind. The bill is handed over to the bank. The bill is no more available with B. He just hand over the bill. In return, he gets money. He gets 1 lakh, only 2,98,000. There is a charge, discount charge taken by the bank, 2,000 rupees. In case of any dishonor or something else, the 2,000 will not be reduced. You have to repay to the bank total amount 3 lakh. That's it. First thing you keep it in mind, the bill is not available with you, with B here. Okay. So on August 2 to 25, A requested, whereas his date was 4th August. On 2nd August itself, he is requesting B to cancel both the bills. The other bill was due in September, but still he is asking to cancel both the bills. Now see, when you are going to cancel the bill, one bill you are having, so you will be crediting the bills receivable account. But one bill is not with you. It is with the bank. You have to credit the amount to bank. That is the thing only here. That's it. And a new bill for the combined amount. Now the new bill is not separate, it is for combined amount. So how much it is, along with interest of 12% per annum for a period of 2 months. Here you have to make 2 entries. First you have to make the cancellation, then for renewal of bill you have to make 2 entries. Keep it always in mind. Make a due for interest. Then next entry will be, along with the interest, you have to debit the bills receivable account and credit that fellow before the due date of the renewed bill. Again, the renewed bill due date also you calculate. Renewed bill is on 2nd August. We were preparing again for 2 months. It will be on 5th October. But in September itself, we come to know that A becomes insolvent. And only 40 paise in a rupee means 40% is recovered. The balance has become bad debt for B. Now, the journal entries are required in the books of B. So now it's very simple thing except calculating interest. Only 2 things you have to keep it in mind. While cancelling, they should go to bank, and while preparing the along renewal along with interest, first make the due for interest, then along with the interest make one entry. And the third point you must remember that only 40% is received, balance becomes bad debt. That's it. Okay. So now bills receivable. Now make it like this only. Otherwise, if you make a combined entry, bills receivable account debit for like 20,000, this ICAI may not give marks. Sometimes we see the analysis, they don't give marks for such entries. Though entry is correct, but they'll say that no, it is separate bill. So you make a separate entry. Bills receivable account debit, and again bill number 2, bills receivable account to A's account, bill accepted by A. Write the narration also properly, for one for 2 months and the second one for 3 months. Okay. Next thing is that B immediately goes to bank and gets it discounted. So 2,98,000, 2,000 and 3,000. And do not forget to write the bank charges. You just follow the study material. If whatever they are following, you also do it, then they have no chance of deducting your marks. That's why I am stressing on this point. First bill discounted by the bank at a charge of rupees 2,000. Okay. Then, now what happened? He is requesting us on 2nd August itself to renew both the bills. So A's account will be debited for 4,20,000 because we have credited him for 4,20,000. Now we are debiting him. So the entry will get cancelled and the bills receivable will get closed. But one is not with us. We have to make payment to bank along with the discount charges, 3 lakh rupees. So cancel due to renewal. Now you make the due for interest. Now immediately make a working note here. Calculation of interest at the rate of 12% per annum for 2 months on 4,20,000. That comes to 8,400. So for that, this fellow will become, it has to be paid by A. So A's account will get debited and interest is an income for this B. So it has to be credited. Okay, then we are making the bills combined bills along with interest. So 4,28,400 and A's account will get 4,28,400. Whenever you see 420 debit, 8,400 debit, 428,400 credit. First entry, if you see, there may be a sale or something because it is not looking like accommodation bill. So sale, at the time of sale, A's account was been debited and here it is credited. So A's account got closed here. Okay. Now when comes here, again when renewal, A's account is debited 2 times with 420 and 8,400 and he is credited. So here also the entry gets nullified. Now what happened? He has become insolvent. So now we have to make him again debit and bills receivable totally we have to reverse because on insolvency the bill gets cancelled. Now what we have to do, because here again he is debited, we have to credit him with the amount received from bank, his estate, and the balance is bad debt account, 40 paise in a rupee. If possible, you can make a calculation here or in the working note. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for those who have subscribed my channel. I am really thankful to all of you. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. It is totally free, and share this video with your friends and relatives and leave your comments so that you'll be able to helpful for others also. Thank you for watching my videos.